We're in Washington. Don't know what part, but we're here. How is it out there? Good. Feels good. Haven't felt rain in a few months, so it's good to kind of get my shoes back in that water and just get ready for the big game. I don't know. That we did. Oh, okay. I keep hitting the car. Haley! Watch the fire.
I get it dirty.
Wait. Get low, get low. Rainforest. I don't know how to pronounce it, but we made it.
Bear and elk don't know food.
Prove it. Gets eaten. Hello, campers. This is our tent.
Howdy, campers. Welcome in. Welcome to your first night. Try your best to survive. If you can. I don't know. Just kind of having a little fun with it.
Day one. Pretty much complete. Yeah, we were just driving for like almost 10 plus hours, so.
Stay golden, pony boy, stay golden.
Bro, why is she talking? We're not gonna over there. Come on, man.
All the trees. And these trees you're not going to see when we go a few feet that way.
Looks like we're in Avatar. That's all I can say about this. Just looks like we're in Avatar. That's insane.
I've never seen one before.
Wiggle time. Salsa. We took a shower. We got coffee. And now we're making a fire. Do not try this at home. Proud dad right
We
here.
did it, Joe.
Just all the dad stances.